Hello, hello. Another day on the road, camping in a car. It's our last day in Marquette, and Rue is a disaster, and that's being nice. Like, everything's out of place. I've got like dirty clothes all over the car, empty like water bottles everywhere. It's just a mess. So I really got to get Rue in order. Rue also needs gas, so I've got to do that. Blue, you need to behave. It's our last day in Marquette. Did I say that? And it's like really bad weather. There's like a winter weather advisory for tonight again. There's one last night too. And it's like really rainy and stuff. So, but we have like a 4 or 5 hour. Blue, enough. It's funny, but it's not because I'm driving. The state of this car is just not okay. Where is this freaking gas station? I was here yesterday, or the day before. Oh, there you are. There you are. How the heck do I get to that gas station from this side of the road? Am I gonna have to do something funky? I am. Oh, I'm not. Aw. Gave me a little Michigan turn lane. That was so cute of them to put that there for me. Is everybody and their mother at this gas station? There's like 3 Chevy trucks in a row. All right, I'm gonna go get drinks inside and go to the bathroom, and then we shall get gas. I'm gonna let you wake up and think about your life. Are you cool waiting in the car, or do you wanna come in? He's like, don't you dare try to move me, Mom. Got it. Well, then I will be back in a jiff. That means you guys have to babysit him, so. You watch, Blue. Okay, it's your turn. I love you. You're in the exact same spot. Didn't even move at all. Are you waking up? Yeah? You wanna go hike a mountain? You love this mountain. You love it. We've already been there. Yeah. Thanks for being good babysitters, you guys. You eat your dinner. All right, guys. We are at the mountain trailhead parking lot that I said we were gonna climb. I don't know yet, honestly, if I am gonna climb it. I'm not necessarily in the mood to, but I'm eating M&Ms because I'm sad. Not really sad, but okay. Here's a pro tip for anybody trying to live out of their car or do the whole like nomad lifestyle out of a car. Your car being clean is hands down like the most important thing to literally everything. Like, not only just so you can find everything, but come on, traffic. Maybe I could have just not parked next to a road, but just like for me personally, when Rue's a mess and I feel like more claustrophobic or more constricted, like I feel like my brain doesn't like work as well, and maybe that's just me as a person, I don't know, but I do feel like that is a good tip for anybody else, because if your car's not organized and you have like this much space to work with, like how are you supposed to get anything done? So I'm gonna first show you Rue's state because it's terrible. Like something about taking everything out last night to go to the tent in the campground just like messed everything up because everything's not in its place anymore, and I'm just freaking out a little bit. So let me show you how terrible Rue is, and then we will get to organizing. Okay, so here's it from the back. So as you can see, I like can't even see this is all just like what I threw in from the tent this morning. Computer. I have my camera up there, which today's vlog is going to be exclusively GoPro footage because I filmed 2 videos last night. Blue. He's going to try to eat some dead animal. That's not what we're doing today, bud. Not what we're doing. Hey, come here. Anyways, I filmed 2 videos last night. Oh my gosh, this traffic is gonna drive me nuts. I'm not in the best mood, as you can clearly tell. What was I saying? Oh, I filmed 2 videos last night, so my 258 gigabyte memory card is full. So, yeah, I've got to get to editing, and whether I do that tonight or go to Starbucks or I don't know what I'm doing yet. Clearly I'm a mess, so we're rocking and rolling true roaming reckless style, okay? But anyways, I don't feel like taking the time to sit down and transfer all my files off that memory card right now because all of that footage I still need to edit because I'm on this new consistency kick. So I'm gonna do that later. So anyways, you get the GoPro today. Hope you don't mind. You can't have chocolate, you're a puppy. You're so cute though. Here's rear from the side, terrible. Jeans that I ripped off this morning. Hopefully my sleeping bag isn't wet anymore. I should probably, oh, it might be a little damp. Anyways, everything's a mess, so. I have like no place for my water bottles, so they're just on my dash. The front seat, like where Blue sits, I don't even want to know what's up there. And also, I couldn't get that tent back in the bag, so it's just like half open on my roof rack, so. Oh, also, I took that coffee creamer out of the bin and put it in a plastic bag and like put it in a totally different place because I know it's just gonna keep leaking. Blue, do you need water? Probably do. Yeah, I'm gonna start by getting all of the bedding back in place. And we'll go from there, okay? Not wet anymore, so that is a win. All right. Oh, here, Blue. A bone that's been buried. Would you like it? Okay. Now, you chew on that instead of chewing on dead animals, okay? Yep, right in the mud. There you go. Blue. Blue is literally licking Rue's tires right now. Are you okay in the head, dog? He's like, no, Mom. You're stressed out, so I'm stressed out. I swear. A messy car is the bane of my existence, okay? Oh my gosh, my hydro flask. I haven't even seen that in 4 days. This is the part that sucks about car camping, but not living out of your car, because I don't have my totes or anything. And usually when I have dirty laundry, like when I lived on the road, I would always throw dirty laundry in the tote on the roof rack so it wouldn't be in my car. But now I have to like lug all this around. It's like, you're taking up so much space. All right, I'm done complaining. Be positive, Maria. Be positive. Nobody likes the complainer. So just get it together. Okay. All right, you know what? Now we're getting somewhere. She got all of Blue's blankets because they're full of blue hair. It's not a game, Bubby. Oh my gosh, see, I bought a whole nother pack of bubbly seltzer water and I haven't even put it in the cooler. This is what being disorganized does to people. Makes them not think straight. Alright, Blue's little cocoon is good to go. Alright, moving up to the front seat. Here's the trash I've got started, and I have rotting apples in the front. So, I'm going to put those in there. Oh, alright. Well, it's actually not that bad in here. I could definitely use a car wash and vacuum, but we'll save that for a different day. Let's go empty the cooler and put the bubblies in. There's this random dude sitting in the parking lot just staring at me. It's kind of freaking me out. Blue. See him over there in the truck. So I am probably just gonna empty this cooler and I guess get out of here instead of hike the mountain because he's kind of freaking me out. He may be lovely. You never know. But that's the thing. You never know. Blue, go drink your water in your dish. You dork. Oh, I think he's fighting with someone on the phone. I can hear him like yelling. Awkward. It's definitely awkward. You guys, I think I still have like half a green pepper and random stuff in this cooler that I never threw away. So maybe I should try to dig for that too. What do I have? Oh yeah, this can be thrown away. Tin foil from last night. I'm never gonna eat these carrots. Are you, Blue? You want one? They've gotta go. If you guys didn't know, mustard is also part ice pick. Ow. Try not to hate yourself when you're doing this. Oh, I still have bubblies in here. I thought I was out. I guess not. Oh my gosh, I have 3. Let me get one out. Well, if this guy wasn't looking at me before, he totally is now. Maybe he's scared of me. Maybe he's like, who's this freak that keeps beating this cooler? Also, if anyone needs a cooler, Ozark Trail, they seriously keep ice for like 5 days. Okay, we got strawberry this time, so that's exciting. Blue is eating all of the ice. If this dude doesn't stop staring at me, I'm gonna go confront him. Maria, why would you pick a fight? Because that is what I do. No, I'm just kidding. I actually don't really pick fights. I really like peace, so. Well, Rue looks way better. Everything's in its place. Alright, how about... Good boy. This poor coat used to be like tan. Now it's just brown. Maybe not the best choice to take on a 2-week camping trip, huh, bub? Yeah, I know. Should have brought the Kerhert. You guys are commenting on YouTube and I'm seeing it. Because my videos are posting now. It's so cute. Hi, guys. Hi, 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 hi. Final Fusion, whoever you are, you just made me laugh out loud. He's commenting on my, on the video where I was like, oh, funny enough, that video is about me organizing Rue too, and here I am organizing Rue. Funny, but, it was where the opening shot was of me, like, backing Rue up the driveway to fix the platform because that leg broke. And he commented and said, I knew it was a great video the moment I saw that big fat white Rue rear end back up. I laughed out loud. Man, you guys are so funny. I knew it. No. Blue's literally mad at me right now because I won't give him M&Ms. This dog, I swear. You have so much personality, Bubby. Let's go get a pop cup. Let's go get a pop cup, Blue. Starbucks closes in like an hour and a half, and instead of doing cool things today like I had originally planned, today kind of turned into a get your crap together today, Maria, type day. Does any of that make sense? Finished the night editing at Starbucks. But you guys, this is kind of like a normal day in the life. Sometimes we're able to do really cool stuff and it's very exciting and I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't believe this is my life. I get to like travel around and see all this stuff. This is amazing. And then other days it's like you've been going a little too hard in the paint, Maria, with filming 2 videos a day, and your car's a mess and your dog needs a ton of exercise and you have a lot of videos to edit. So that's what it is. We need to go to Starbucks and edit because I literally think I have over 10 videos to edit right now. So. It's raining and very, very cold. We're gonna call that a night, you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!